the ultimate Apspothire reviews tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for supplements or health products, most people get this wrong by relying on unverified online stores. The surprising truth about Apspothire is that it offers a curated selection of wellness products with customer reviews and clear ingredient listings that help you make safe choices. First, browse the categories. You won't believe how organised it is. Vitamins, digestive aids, immunity boosters and more are easy to find, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what you need. Next, examine product information. Most people skip this step, but Apspothire includes dosage instructions, benefits and potential side effects, so you know what to expect before purchasing. Check customer feedback. The surprising truth is that real user reviews provide insight on effectiveness and quality, which helps you avoid low-quality products and choose items that deliver results. Finally, review. Shipping and returns. You won't believe how straightforward the process is. Apspothire offers reliable delivery and a clear return policy, ensuring you can shop confidently. In conclusion, Apspothire can take you from zero to pro in selecting health and wellness products online. By navigating categories, reviewing product details, checking feedback, and understanding shipping, you make informed, safe decisions. Smart use of this platform ensures you get quality products without wasting money or risking your health.